I get tired even when I rest, so I try to rest more. But the more I sleep, the worse I feel. The guilt starts to grow, like I'm wasting time, doing nothing. Then I fight that guilt, and that fight makes me tired again. It's a loop I can't seem to escape. I try to pull myself together. I look at other people. They live, they work, they laugh, they make plans, and I just exist. No reason, no explanation, just tired. And maybe that's the strangest part. Everything seems fine, but inside, it's like someone's turning down the volume of life, little by little. For a long time, I thought something was wrong with me. Maybe I'm lazy, maybe I'm weak, or maybe I'm just broken. But now I think I'm just burned out. Burned out from expectations, from the endless race, from comparing myself to everyone else. Even resting feels like a task now. Relax, recover faster, and somehow that only makes it worse. If you feel the same, that empty, heavy tiredness, the guilt of not being productive, just know you're not alone. You're not lazy. You're just tired, truly tired, from always trying to be someone, to prove something, to justify simply being human. Maybe today, you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to find meaning. Just sit, breathe, let the world wait. You're not broken. You're just tired, like me. I made this channel to remind myself that I'm not the only one who feels this way. And if you do too, I'm here. If you feel the same, you can stay. It's okay. You can share it in the comments. Maybe it'll help both of us feel a little less alone.